Alright, hello. Gonna continue modeling this room. I think I'm gonna finish everything for this in one go. I'm just gonna start 3D modeling. I don't know if I necessarily want to add some extra 3D models here. Like, I could up the polygon count by just adding some random stuff around. I feel like it. I feel like that's probably a good idea. I was thinking of just putting a bunch of rocks all around here. Like, what if I just made a bunch of these rocks fall and simulated them falling down here? And then you would have some rocks to hide behind. Do I not have a physics material on this? No, I don't. I could have sworn I made a physics material for this the other day for the falling rocks. What physics material? Oh, I guess it just uses the crystal. I set it to minimum. Okay. So, I feel like I'm not sure you can use mesh colliders. Let me look this up. I don't think you can use mesh colliders on the rigid body, but let's see. Mesh colliders only work with static objects. That's what I thought. Alright, apparently if it's a convex... Well, you don't know till you try, right? I'm going to turn off the queen attacking so that I can just watch this fall. Mesh collider with non-kinematic rigid body is not supported. Okay, that answers our question. So let's do... Wait. Oh god. I selected the cave system. Oops. Couldn't create a convex mesh from source. Vert without maximum polygon limit. Partial hull will be used. Consider simplifying your mesh. Shit. Oh, well, the convex mesh looks fine. Okay. Nice. I don't know if we're going to use solid ground because solid ground has quite the bounce. We'll probably use crystal. And we're going to place a bunch of these and simulate them falling. now we're just gonna create one for each rock type. I guess I could switch up the material on this one too. Alright, so now we can simulate those falling. I'm just going to make a copy of them there. Is there a way I can only simulate specific objects? How could I simulate only specific objects? I guess I can't. Alright, so there is the fallen rock simulated. I'm not sure how I feel about that. We'll see. I think the player, this might block where the player can go. Let's try it. Alright, well, I immediately just got stuck. I'm an idiot. Okay, not bad actually. You know, I just realized I could set a whole bunch of these mesh colliders to convex, and it would make shit a lot faster. I should probably do that in the other level. Okay, yeah, I think this blocks my path up there. Maybe not. Are you able to get there from right here? Oh my god, it's like right at the limit. That's probably way too hard to get to. I should add some rocks or something that make it easier. I don't know if I'm gonna... I guess I'll make these fall as well. Hold on, I'll be right back. Now I'll drop these smaller rocks right here. Oh damn. That did not completely simulate. That's probably better. I'm gonna put these. Alright, we'll remove the rigid bodies, and I'm gonna put these ones actually like right here. Actually, I don't think I need these two tiny ones. So we'll set these to static and we'll drag them in here. I can set this to convex. I can add a mesh collider to this and make it convex. Nice, nice. So this rock actually gives us something to hide behind while the queen is lobbing stuff. Alright, and we can now place these fallen rocks. So I'm gonna build the next. I said how you're gonna jump up here and across a ledge to drop the next boulder. Let's see if the player can even jump on this. I have a feeling it's at a bad angle for the player. Actually, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. I think I want... I kind of feel like I want to crack between there, but it'll make it extra difficult having the player try to walk across there and dodge. I just want to check to make sure. I can't infinitely climb walls, can I? No. Alright, let's place the next part of the ledge. wonder if I should do like a ledge. I have a feeling the player can't make that jump. Let's test it out. If it can though, that's sick. No, yeah, the player definitely cannot make that jump. It's so interesting how like it completely changes from the player's perspective. So maybe I'll put a little... Oh man, you know what would be good? You know what would be really good is doing like a little puzzle system. Or not a puzzle system, but doing a little like piece of wood or something there. So you gotta like place a piece of wood. So in the other sections you have to like go and find an item to help you build like a bridge or something. I could do that during the boss fight. I feel like if I put it all the way over there, it would kind of be bad. You would just spend a whole bunch of time walking. I think putting a piece of like broken wood like right here or something would probably be good. On the other hand, I don't think it's really necessary. I also just thought about something. I'm gonna need to script it so that the player probably has a chance to like walk out a bit before the queen starts completely lobbing stuff at the player. Whatever. I talked about doing a holdable item, so let's do a holdable item. I feel like it would make sense being over here because it's like fallen through the hole. Maybe right here. Yeah, actually that'll work. That will work. Make it a holdable item. Make it scale down when you pick it up. Move a little bit over when you hold it. And then we'll set up the bridge here. So we use this to set the transform. Let's put it in a good place to help the player, Because we could put it in a really annoying place over here where they get attacked by the queen. But if we put it in the corner, they'll be able to hug the wall. I feel like we've already made them get an item. Let's not be a dick and put them in a really shitty situation. Alright, there we go. I think that's good. I could use some of the fallen debris as a bridge. Let's delete all the components here, because it's just supposed to be a transform. And fuck. I need to size this box. I should have sized this box collider before I placed the child transform. I'm just gonna place a large, decently large box. This is basically like the box for where you interact with the bridge to place it. Let's test it just to make sure it works. I also want to test to see if you can get through here. I don't think you can. So I feel like I should make a way for you to jump over here. This is really hard to get around. Okay, so I looted the item, but shit, I'm stuck. But it held it in the wrong position, it seemed like. I think it's the hold position I did. So I should make it easier to get around here. I guess if I move this over a little bit, you can get around there. Or I'm wondering if I could try and use this as like a ramp. I think if I make an easy way to get up here, it's not that big a deal. If I add an extra rock or something, makes it easier to get up here. So let's see, if I can jump up right here, this should be easier. Hello AEM, how weather outside? You don't have one called on stream anymore? Oh yeah, it's still fall. Hold on. I guess I could put the camera on stream, but I think it kind of that was weird. Twitch just gave me the little ghost saying it failed to load. I feel like it's kind of like a waste of space. It's fall. Red and yellow leaves everywhere. There's gonna be snow soon. Oh yeah, this makes it easier. Where is this object? The player's picking it up. I guess you just can't see it. Oh, for one, it's rotated the wrong way. Okay, so we'll try rotating it. Still think it's gonna be very hard to oh, I guess you can climb out of there, so it's not that big a deal. I feel like there's so many places here you can get the player stuck. I guess it's not that bad. So let's try and change. Try and change this so it's on camera. Why is that not rendering? Dude, this didn't used to happen all the time. Whenever you're in the game mode now and you tab out, God fucking damn it, dude. So Unity used to actually detect that you've gone out of the game mode and stop locking in the mouse. Now whenever you click the window, even if you're like tabbed out in the editor, it locks in the goddamn mouse, so you end up like clicking random shit because the mouse is locked in. Like, it's so weird. So this is the thing, like, it locks in the mouse for the game, but then it clicks stuff in the editor, so you can't see what you're clicking because the mouse is locked in. Like, that is so fucking buggy, man. Some of the stuff in Unity legit feels unpolished right now, like stuff like that. I guess maybe this is just so small you can't see it. Wait, why is this not rotating it? Ah. There we go. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll tilt this rock so that you can get over it. I just got stuck. So all I need to do to make it so that you don't get stuck there is literally just move this rock a tiny little bit like that, and rotate it a tiny little bit like that. I think that should be enough for you to jump on it as well. There we go. Oh shit. Are these set as crystal materials? They are. I just went sliding off that. Are these all set as crystals? Oh my god, they are. No wonder I can't walk on these. Alright, I think that's good. I might want to change the holding position a little bit. Let's make this ledge as well. I wonder if I can do like a pillar, or if a pillar would work. Oh, I see. So the convex actually doesn't 100% match up with the mesh. Trying to find one end that has a relatively flat surface. I might need to use another rock. I guess that right there is flat. I wonder, I bet the player might be able to make that jump. If we actually like lower it. Let's try that. Oh man, I should have just spawned myself on that platform. Oh, okay, I should make that hitbox bigger. Oh shit. Yeah, I should put the hitbox a bit closer. Now, can you make this jump? Oh, I totally think you can make that jump. Also, can you jump up here? It would make it way faster if you could jump here. I think you can if you use like the double jump. At the right angle. Oh, maybe. No. Oh my fucking, oh my god. I just went right off the edge. So I'm actually testing the material here. Is it slippery? It's kind of slippery. Oh, maybe I put the boulder right here and you gotta like jump for it. I should also give it, I should add an option to do like a launch velocity so that you can like pick the direction. queen damage, vector 3, launch velocity. So then when we launch it, we can set the velocity. I feel like I should visualize the launch velocity because I can't really tell what way it's pointing. I don't know what way the X or Y axis is. I guess I can use this, but it's way easier to just do gizmos dot draw line position plus launch velocity Nice. So our red line is our launch velocity. So I think that's almost launching at the queen. Maybe right there. Let's try it. First of all, oh shit, am I gonna get stuck? I just got myself stuck. I should add a way to get out of here. It would kind of suck to get stuck here in the middle of the boss fight. So I'm gonna add a little thing to get up. We can add a little rock to jump off of. Fall down here. Will that be enough? I guess I can just almost block it off like that. I wonder if you can still get stuck there. If I really try, I bet I can still get stuck. Actually, I think it's good. Okay, I want to test and see if you can touch the boulder from down here. You're not supposed to be able to do that. But I have a feeling if you jump at the right angle here... No, never mind. Never mind. Okay, so let's put the player right up here and see if we can jump for it. It almost looked like it just sent it in like the backwards direction. Okay, so we did it, but it looked like it launched in the wrong direction. Now I wonder if that is because we have it colliding with a wall or something. Yeah, the issue is if it's colliding too much, it doesn't go flying the right direction. I actually should try just putting it floating in the air to make sure the launch velocity is right. I think it is. Oh my god. Okay, maybe it's too far away now. Yeah, there we go. That was good. That was good. Okay, so I think that'll work. I think that will work. Maybe I should have it launch a bit more in the other direction. This might send it absolutely flying. Let's see. No, actually it didn't send it flying that far. I wonder if it instantly resets the velocity after the constraints are reset or something like that. Yeah, I probably just need to have it so it's not colliding at all. There we go. And then that didn't register. Oh my god. Okay, now where should I do the next boulder? Maybe right up here. I wonder if the player can jump up there. Let's see. That would be a really really difficult place to do it. No, I don't think the player can jump up there. maybe he can. Actually. So maybe the last one will just be right here. I feel like that actually takes some skill to get up to. Like if you just W key forward, it doesn't work. You have to actually like get the momentum going with your jumping. Yeah, maybe I'll do a one more rock. Or maybe I'll do a crystal. Yeah, so this is basically like a platform. Let's see if it actually works as a platform. It might not, it might be at too steep of an angle. Oh no, it's good. Nice. Alright, I like that. I like that. So we'll put the final boulder there. So it's like hidden in plain sight. And then can we get to the final... Yeah, okay. So then this is where we're gonna put like the ladder coming down at the end. Alright. So let's put the final boulder there. This one might be hard to get rolling correctly. Get rolling so it hits the boss. I'll start with 0 launch velocity. So scuffed. Oh my god, it works though. It works. It eventually gets to the boss. So let's see, what if we do like 10 launch velocity? What if we send it? I have a feeling it doesn't really work if we send it, but maybe it does. Oh yeah, it works if we send it. It was bouncing around. Did I set it? Oh my god, I set it to solid ground. That's why it's bouncing around like crazy. This is gonna send it. This might even glitch it through the wall. No, absolutely launched it though. Perfect. Except for the lack of angular velocity. The lack of angular velocity is kind of, I feel like I should change it to a different material. Let me try and do a falling rock material. Because it should have friction, but then no bounce. Okay, so the material actually messed it up. The material actually made it respond worse. So I'm gonna mess around with it now with the new material until the material looks good. Oh my god, then I put the rock too high up. Okay, it's not supposed to have bounce. There we go. That's good. I guess the best thing I could do is actually simulate this for a tiny amount of time. Oh, so close. Just a little bit more force. There we go. Alright, that one works. Now let's make sure this one works. I feel like I should build up like rubble down at the bottom when I do this. Along with like a rock breaking effect, do like rocks building up. Because it doesn't make sense for these to just disappear. Alright, that's way too much of a launch. Okay, so what I need to do is these can miss. Like the player could, for example, get in the way of the physics, or something could just bug out. So I need to add a respawn timer to these, so that if they don't hit anything after a certain period of time, they are respawned. How do I do that? So I gotta save the state, the default, the start position, and the start rotation. Push timeout, or just push time. So then after 10 seconds, if it hasn't hit the queen, 15 seconds. Then we will reset it. And I'm just wondering how I could test this. Because I'm not even sure I could. I guess this one is the one I could run in the way of. Let's try it. No, so that worked. Can I stand in the way of it? Shit, no. Huh. Maybe this one? No, still needs to get pushed faster. See, now that's too much. I don't want to just like absolutely send it flying. I just want to like give it a boost so it... Okay, that's probably the boost. I don't know, actually, it still does like the same thing. Huh. I guess maybe lowering the friction. Or maybe increasing it. Oh my god, it's so close. Let's give it a little boost on the Z as well. Let's try different ways of falling with static or dynamic friction. So this is with fully static. Okay, so it actually slows down more with static. Okay, it's really weird when you just have dynamic friction. So maybe just lower friction is just what I'm going for. Nope, that's not it either. guess I have to do it with the launch velocity. So it respawned. I guess I should increase the respawn time to like 25 seconds just to be sure. I don't know why it doesn't roll nearly as much. I don't think it's the friction, but maybe it is. Maybe it's because I had it as a sphere before. I think it's literally because it's no longer a sphere. Let's try small amount of friction. Okay, it worked there. It went slowly, but it worked. That's a miss. I wonder if that miss is specifically because of the launch velocity. Maybe not. Okay, that worked. Now let's test the one up here. Alright, after this I think we're going to do the animation for the boss getting hit. Oh yeah, that worked. Okay, so then we're going to do an animation for the rocks exploding. I almost want to do something with self-fracture. With self-fracture physics. I feel like this would be a good time to do some rocks exploding everywhere. Or maybe do a falling rock animation on it. No, I think I'll do a dust cloud animation. Oh yeah, actually. So I also wanted some dust cloud, or I guess I should use the exploding rock effect. I guess I should do an exploding rock effect and do it in the falling rock section in the last level as well. What would the exploding rock effect look like though? Like I almost think I should just do like particles of just like stuff spraying everywhere. and then I think I'll build up more rocks around it. We'll see. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some water. Okay, so now I have to see, how do I trigger this? Unity trigger particle burst. On a press. Play and stop. Multiply the particle speed by this value. This does not seem to actually do velocity over lifetime. Or at least it doesn't slow down at the curve I want it to. I wonder if limit is what I'm looking for. Wait, can I make it a curve? Wait, what about radial velocity? Wait, does this end up going backwards? That's kind of cool, but why does it do that? Oh, it goes to -1. It's really hard to control the velocity over lifetime with this curve. Now, I don't think I want to do this looping. I guess we'll program this to trigger when it gets damaged now. So when it takes damage, we do dust.play. And then I think we're also gonna spawn some debris and stuff. I'm thinking I'll use these. You know what I should do? For the final thing, I should put the queen 3D model through a cell fracture and then have the queen like split up into pieces. Or I could do a nice satisfying animation. Man, why does this drag to move not work so good? I guess it's these planes. I think I should do more debris than that. Oh, I also just realized I can make the point light less bright, just like the material. And then we'll also do game object debris. So if HP bigger than 0, damage debris HP -1, set active true. So is the intensity set to by default? $1,000. Alright. So 1,000 divided by HP divided by 3. Okay. So now this hopefully will visualize when the queen is damaged. I still don't have anything for if it's dead. But yeah, we're gonna try this now, I think. Maybe I should have it so it doesn't shoot at you when you're so far away. Because that kind of seems kind of bullshit. Yeah, ow. Oh. Oh. I think it kind of worked. Doesn't look like it necessarily got dimmer. So I need to increase that hitbox. Hey, it pushed me right where I needed to go. Dude, I'm honestly pretty happy with this boss fight. Like, this feels like a boss fight. Oh, shit. So this is going to be the last one. It should... should make the light go completely dark. Oh my god, what the fuck? Wait, what is happening? Oh, the point light got set to infinity. Oh, I did divided by instead of multiply. Oh my god, it was actually getting brighter. Well, shit. Boss fight is done. The boss fight is done. The game is technically pretty much done. I'm gonna script the ending now. And like the going to credits part, because might as well. You accidentally made a flashbang. Exactly. So now we're gonna 3D model a little ladder. And the ladder is gonna like come down from here. And the player will, I also need to do a little animation. I don't know if I'm even gonna do an animation. I don't think I'm gonna do an animation. We're gonna do a person, or maybe people, standing here. And I think they might say something. I think they might say, like, look! Or be like, yay! At the end. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not gonna do any audio to begin. I'm just gonna do the animations and the 3D models. And honestly, while I'm doing the 3D models, I maybe should do Tom, turn Tom into a corpse. Okay. So actually we're gonna use Make Human to build some base. You know, man, is Make Human allowed on? So here's the thing: Make Human has nude models. Is Make Human allowed? I don't think it's allowed. I think I need to put clothes on the mesh before. Can't show those polygon titties on stream, you know? Alright. So I actually don't need clothes for this model that I want to do, so I'm actually going to remove the clothes in the end. The model is going to be untextured. I don't even think it's going to have eyes. We're not going to need eyes. I literally just need the like base model that looks kind of like a human. So we'll use the proxy model. We'll use the proxy model. Man, that looks creepy without eyes. I could just make a horror game where you're just chased by like a T-posing low poly model. Alright, we don't need any of that. I'm gonna need to set the skeleton because I want to pose it. I'm gonna want to pose it in Unity actually, I think. So we might do CMU. Some people who do modeling put some clothes before starting editing on stream. Yeah. It's so weird because like naturally you just like I guess I'll I'm literally just gonna do the default model here, I think. Like, I don't really care. Okay, another thing I want to look at is normally I import to Blender with the Make Human Exchange. I cannot find the Make Human Exchange format at all. Maybe I am just supposed to use FBX now. Cannot import MHX to MH file. Maybe you're confusing the Make Human plugin and the MHX2 add-on. I want this file. Yeah, but Make Human is not well documented. Whatever. We're just gonna use FBX. And I'm gonna so I'm gonna turn off the clothes. Export it. I think I can just put it straight into Unity. No. Maybe I'm actually gonna want to fix up the eyes and stuff, I think. Human. So I'm on my camera right now because I'm editing the nude model, and I can't have that on stream, I guess. I guess. Did this export a texture? No, it created a textures folder that has nothing in it. Fuck it, whatever. We'll show this on stream. So like I said, there's no eye meshes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the eyes here and close them up. And actually I should probably close the mouth as well. I'm just thinking, what is the easiest way to do this? Just creating a face there, I guess. And I think the mouth is good. Yeah, I think the mouth will be fine. Alright, now we're gonna export that again. With the armature and everything. So now we're gonna put these human models hanging over the edge there. They're gonna be unlit with a gray material so that they look like they're against the skylight. Could call it saving human, because technically these people save you at the end. I should probably try to like place these in game. So that's probably going to be way too big. I want to see what this looks like, though. So you cannot see that. So make this completely dark so that it's easier to see. Yeah, actually it should be. And actually these should be about the size of the player. So hold on, let me size this up relative to the player. Yeah, it's way too big right now. Let's see, is this... Yeah, so that's probably a good size. Oh yeah, it's small, but you can see it. Good. Good. Okay. So then we'll do... humans or other people 0. there we go. So then at the end, so when you do the first damage hit, a single person is going to show up. Then when you do the next damage hit, 2 more people are going to show up, like they're cheering you on. And I almost feel like doing a little bit of yelling in the background. I don't think it's really needed, but maybe just a little voice or signal. Alright, and now, fuck. I tried so hard to not show that on stream, and then I literally just opened it the fuck up anyways. Alright. I tried so hard and didn't get far at all. We're gonna make a ladder now. I'm just gonna repeat a bunch of pipe elbow, Y joint. I feel like there's something here that's basically like a ladder. But yeah, we're just gonna, I guess, create a cube. Actually, maybe a really good way of doing... I'm thinking repeating segments would be a good way of doing this, but I'm also thinking repeating Boolean operations. So this is going to need to be a really long ladder. Like a really fucking long ladder. Like an unbelievably long ladder. I doubt I'm gonna 3D model this correctly. So now we add a cube, and we're gonna subtract, we're gonna make the cube smaller, and then subtract it, or do an array modifier to repeat the cube. Repeat that over and over again, move it down so that it matches up. And then we just do that upwards until it reaches the top. Disable the, or wait, apply these as a Boolean operator that subtracts from here, and boom, we've got our ladder. PogChamp, big ladder. So we will apply that, delete, and X. Okay, I guess I'm really paranoid about normals facing the wrong direction. Yeah, yeah, our normals are good. Yeah, our normals are good. Okay. Oh, wait. Triangulate faces. Clean up mesh, limited dissolve. Alright. Ladder. Just thinking, yeah, probably keep this open. Oh yeah, the ladder still is in no way big enough. Actually, it's not bad. It's kind of close. I guess I could stretch it a little bit more. Also, it doesn't really matter if it's not 100% lined up. How does that look? Yeah, dude. Okay. So there's some polish stuff I want to do. I want to do a little clinking noise when the alien rocks hit the ground. I'm not sure if I want to add the audio source to every single one that's thrown, or just play a single. I think I might just play a single audio source. Also, I'm thinking, should I do the credits here? I'm thinking I do the credits as a separate scene, so that like right here I fade to white and then I switch to the credits scene, and that way I can play the credits from the main menu. Yeah, I think that is the way to do it, and then we add a box collider to this, have it be a trigger, and have it do load scene on trigger. Yeah, that's how we doing it. And then make the trigger a decent size so that we can just walk into it. Okay, so now we're going to program it so it I feel like that's still too high up. Maybe not. We'll try it. We'll try it. Anyways, I'm going to program it so that it toggles these as the queen dies. So we got damage debris, and then we got damage pop-ups. So damage pop-ups are actually going to get played. For each one. I'm kind of doing the same thing twice. I don't really care. It works. Okay. So now I should also do something that detects if the queen is dead. Like if HP bigger than 0. Okay. Let's try it. So we should be able to beat the boss now. I'm like speed running this shit now. Okay, I need to play a rumble effect. I still need to do the rumble audio effect for when it hits that. Oh shit, I'm gonna get... I'm surprised I didn't get hit there. Oh no, oh fuck. Oh no. Ow. Oh shit, and you can see the people there. Okay. It's actually... It works. Oh my... I suck. I suck. I'm about to die. If I get hit again, I'm dead. We did it. There's no way I die here. In before I die. Now we just wait for this to go hit the boss. It's dead. There we go. And then I'll display some on-screen text that says like I could leave the something like people have come to say like what's a good way of saying like I should go get to the ladder now and escape the cave? Something like that. Just straightforward. Alright. Boom. Fade to white, that's when it goes to credits. Holy shit, we did it. We did it. So I still want to do... I want to do a dying animation. I want to do some more sound effects for... Like, I'm thinking, do I want to go through... Do I want to polish the boss room right now? Like, I don't think I should actually polish this. I think I should go through at the beginning and now go through the beginning and polish little stuff from the beginning and go back to here. Slowly polishing. Like, I might go and work on the main menu now, I think. I think I might switch and work on the main menu. I gotta think about... I'm gonna go get some water. I actually don't have a plan for the main menu. I was thinking about just doing... I kind of want to use some assets from the game for the main menu. Like, maybe one of the caves or something, so it's like... Like, I'm wondering, like, where do I do the main menu on? I could do the main menu on the starting forest here. So, like, the main menu... One of the things I was thinking is, like, the main menu starts out like right here or something, like down looking at the water, like that or something. and it has like the title of the game. Okay. I'm playing with a few ideas for the name of the game. Hopton's Supply Run. So I want the game Hopton's Supply Run, Hopton's Adventure. I'm thinking of naming the guy Hopton, just as I just Googled old names from Old English, and yeah. So like I'm thinking if I wanted to do the main menu on this screen or on this scene, how would I do that? Like if I wanted to reuse this, it would almost, I'm thinking, be better to just copy and paste all of this. Or I'm thinking of just making the main menu with assets. Like just doing something like this, where it's just like trees poking up with a sky. Something like that. I think we'll just combine assets like that. Let me drop a tree prefab in here, because I don't... Yeah. I never did a prefab for the tree. I almost feel like I should add the options menu as well. Like I should add the options menu first, because that's actually integrated into the game. Alright, I'll be right back and then we'll do this. Alright. So I'm thinking now, what do I want the UI to look like? I actually didn't really plan this out. I was just thinking simple square buttons. But I'm not sure that necessarily fits. So, I think I might take a break for like an hour or so. I'm happy with finishing the boss fight we still do have quite a ways to go. Like, the menu is pretty big. Like, that is a pretty big thing to do. But I'm kind of like, my brain is not, at the beginning of this, I honestly felt like I was, like, today I felt like I was actually in like a good workflow. Like, I just like developed the boss fight, developed the rest of that cave really good. But now I'm just like my brain was, like I said, I had a plan. I was just going from one thing to the next, like already had this planned out. Now I'm like, my brain is not planning. It is tired. I feel like if I'm tired about this, then maybe I'll do the 3D modeling for Tom right now, because I think that might be a good thing to do. Nah. I'm gonna go take a break. When you don't have motivation, you don't have motivation. I do this on stream a bunch. It's like, if you're trying to push yourself to do it and say like, I'm gonna give myself motivation, it doesn't fucking work, dude. You can't like force yourself to get motivation. Alright, I'll be back tonight. We had a really good development stream last night, so maybe I'll do a long 3 or 4 hour dev stream tonight. I'll see you around. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Have a good day, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. If you're programming or developing something, best of luck with your project. Bye-bye.